What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel.
Today we're doing a Halloween episode and blind taste testing our favorite Halloween candy.
Let's get into it.
Alright, so here in Canada we have 4 main brands for our Halloween candy. We have Cadbury, Hershey,
Mars and Nestle. So we're each going to choose 5 to give the other person to see who can guess the most. And Ty's gonna go first. So I've chosen my 5 for Ty to eat, and I kind of mangled them a little bit so he would have a harder time guessing what they were. I'll show you guys when I feed them to him. Are you ready?
It smells chocolatey.
Okay, what to give first though? Okay, this is the first one I'm going to give. And I just... Ready? I should write down the guesses too.
Snickers.
Snickers for number 1. Alright. This is going to be number 2. And this is what I did to it. I don't know if you can really see that. Okay, ready?
M&M, non-peanut.
M&M non-peanut. I guess I'll just put M&M. Okay. This is the next one. We eat so much chocolate, so I think that's why we're so good at it. Ready?
Cookies and cream Hershey.
Cookies and cream Hershey. Cookies and cream Hershey. Oh my gosh. Alright. This is the next one. This is what I did to this one. I'm just gonna break it in half because it's kind of... Okay, ready? Thinking about these hard.
Crap, I don't know what this one is. Oh, Mr. Big. No. Oh, Henry. Sorry, Oh, Henry.
Alright, and then this is the last one. And I kind of did the same sort of thing to that one, so let's see if you can guess what this is. Ready?
Wunderbar.
Wunderbar! Alright, you, sir, may take off your blindfold.
Arrow?
Yup. The one he got wrong, he guessed cookies and cream Hershey, and it was Arrow. But all the other ones, and you almost missed O. Henry, which I was surprised about because it's one of your favorite chocolates. But you redeemed yourself.
I had to think about what was in the boxes. I was like, Cadbury, what is it?
There is Mr. Big.
Is there?
I think so.
I don't think so.
Maybe not. So, oh, that's lucky. I should go review the boxes so I know.
I didn't review them. I was just like, I'm picturing brands, chocolate, convenience store. What is there?
All right, 4 for 5. You're still on your winning streak. So
You beat me in baby food.
is that a win?
Alright, I'm gonna go prep Amanda's stuff and we'll be right back. Alright, so we're back and it's now Amanda's turn. So the first one I'm gonna give her is this.
I'll be so upset if I don't get them. I love chocolate.
I just did that. Make it a little bit harder for her. Open wide. Don't look so disgusted. It's candy.
Oh my god. I don't taste peanut butter. I want to say Reese's Pieces, but
We need an answer.
no way they're that sweet. No, I'm just gonna say Smarties.
Alright.
I know you should always go with your first good answer, but I don't taste peanut.
Number 2. Open.
Ew.
This is a child-friendly video. No cursing.
Oh, it's Wonder Oh my god. At first I thought it was Twix, but I think it might be Wonder Bar. But you would pick the same one. I'm gonna go with Twix. That's my final answer.
Okay. Third option,
Can I change it? It's too late.
I guess.
Caramel.
Alright. So recap, number 3.
Oh, Kit Kat.
Okay. Number 4. Open.
Oh, coffee crisp.
And number 5.
Gross.
This one kind of is difficult to give you, so open it.
Oh my god. Crispy Crunch.
Alright.
Sticking to my teeth.
You may remove your blindfold.
Only because it's like coffee. Toffee? Toffee. I think I did really bad. Oh my goodness.
So you got number 3, Kit Kat, number 4, Coffee Crisp, and number 5, Crispy Crunch.
Okay, that's not too bad considering I don't eat Crispy Crunch ever.
Number 1 was the Cookies and Cream Hershey, and she guessed Smarties.
How did you cut it up?
I just cut it into little
Oh,
pieces.
it felt like I was eating the cookies part.
And number 2 was a Mars bar. And then you went from Twix, which has cookie in it, to
I
caramel.
got so much caramel. I
no
forgot that
Caramel
Mars.
in Mars.
Mars is on caramel?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It was very, like, chewy.
Oh, okay, it does. Never mind.
It
You're
does,
right.
yeah. I was like, it was very chewy.
So I beat you by 1. You
I'm
did-
so proud of myself because your favorite is crispy crunch. That's why I didn't pick it. One of your favorites. And I never eat it.
I like all chocolate.
But it does have toffee, right? That's why it was sticking to my teeth. That's why I knew. Maybe not.
It's like it's like peanut brittle.
Yeah, that's why.
Anyway, I'm the winner again. Amanda's only good at tasting baby food.
That's gonna be forever rubbed in my face. Maybe we'll do an ice cream one next. You'd still win.
It's because I'm fat. I like food.
No!
Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.
How do you do that? You wanna do it?
They're in your mouth still.
What do you mean?
Your teeth don't come out.
They don't. Probably because I have them on upside down.
Make it angry first, though.
Okay. Oh, you're recording. Okay.